In this tutorial, we will learn how to run a Slurm job on the cluster. Slurm stands for Simple Linux Utility Resource Management. So what we're going to do is we're already SSH'd into this cluster, the Prince cluster, and we've already transferred files over onto our remote folder on the cluster. So if you have not learned how to do that, refer to the previous tutorials. So let's see what type of scripts we have in here that we're going to run. Let's say we want to run a MATLAB script. So it's on our folder already. The tutorial script. So this one's a shell script that will instruct our machine what to do. And then this is the MATLAB script we're actually going to run. So this is the shell script. Let's go over line by line. The first line, line 1, is actually just a standard machine instruction for these shell scripts. So the pounds. 2 pounds means fully commented out. 1 pound, however, will actually instruct the machine on the hardware requirements. So, for example, line 4, we are using 1 node. We're going to run 1 task on that node. We're going to need 2 CPUs for that task. We'll give it an hour before it's killed. It won't use more than 4 gigabytes of memory. We'll name the test my MATLAB test. When it ends, we're going to email the output to a email address here. And this is the format of the output we will email. So without the pound keys are actually just commands you could run on your local server, local station, except it will run on the cluster. So module purge, change directory, and run MATLAB. Great. So this is what we'll run, and this is just a simple MATLAB script for example purposes, just so we can have a script. All right, let's go to running actual Slurm job. So we're going to do sbatch and the name of the shell file we went over first. So it's MATLAB s. So once we run, we're going to take note of that job ID, or we can find the job ID by doing sq option u and our user name. This will give us all jobs running right now under our name. So we can actually try to do sq option j and the job name, job ID. Yeah. Great. And so that's running. We can see the hardware stats using the same option j, and our job ID. This will give us things like our resource usage, etc. So since our job was short, the job's actually over right now. But if you had a longer job, it would display all the information as displayed right there. Now we can run saccount for the information. These are all the jobs we've ever ran on this account. And then we can isolate again by job option, so we can just see the details of 1 job, past and present. Yeah. Be sure to put the job tag right there. Great. Exactly. And if we were to need to cancel a job, we would use scancel. And we're not going to do that right now, but that's how you cancel a job. And those are the core commands and infrastructures for running a Slurm job.